Wiping sweat off the nervous one back here, man. Get out of here, man. I got you nervous one.
For our first Pensacola Iron Chef, we are going to have the battle of Pompano. Battle Pompano is on the grill.
Here they go. Here they go. Alright. Okay, so the fritter, what are you thinking about the fritter?
Can't do fritters, no bacon powder.
Okay. So for an
app, we're going to do a... I think we'll do a broiled pompano with the risotto. That'll be third. And then I think we'll do a whole fried pompano.
I did see nuts in there. Cheese nuts!
There's bacon in there. We've got bacon, so we'll do like a...
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin.
Look at this kid, man. They're already on it. Come through. Judge, what do you like? You like what you see so far?
Yeah, I think it's head on.
We turned the radio off, dude. The outburst was just in the back just jamming, dude.
Boys of summer have gone. Oh.
We've been Irish car bombs fucking for days.
We're at the 5-minute mark. How's it looking?
5 minutes. It's looking good. We got some focused chefs here.
We got some seriously focused people in the house. Look at the concentration on this man's face. Look at him whip dance, whatever that is. Look at this madness over here with 5 minutes to go. These guys are in the final furlong. They are in the zone. There's no stopping them now. Adam has literally sweated 1.3 gallons already.
Never is. We're gonna lose. That's no political winner. Opa! Hey, crap.
Holy shit, that was harder than it looks.
What do we got here? What do we got here?
This is my take on some sort of late night kind of breakfast, if you can. I've got cheese grits with andouille sausage, grilled vegetables. I got a cornmeal fried pompano fillet with hollandaise.
All right.
Then I've got a whole baked fish stuffed with herbs and fresh garlic with a jumbo lump mango salsa.
Ooh.
And then we got papio right over here with papio, sorry, with my poblano risotto.
Alright, so first course right here I have a butternut and pompano bisque. Served alongside a new potato cake with a pompano mousse. Right here, it's a cellophane noodle salad, tossed in a little rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and the pompano is fried, and a little bit of rice flour and black sesames. Right here, we've got, on top you have a sweet potato and Yukon Gold potato risotto. Underneath you have julienne, fresh vegetables, Creole sauce, and just a plain grilled pompano.
I was going to say, I didn't see him do a risotto.
All right.
Oh, 'cause I was on it.
First of all, this was very difficult, of course. Both chefs did a wonderful job. And this was keen competition, as you can tell. And the judges came to a unanimous decision on this. And the judges were really stoked on the baked Adams team. The baked pompano was like an all-out winner in that arena. And we're going to have to give it unanimously to Adams' team.
You try to videotape, you better not vlog me, cause I gotta get you better. Everything that you got to believe, cause I am the man that's lyrical C. Hey, you can call me T-A-R-R-I-C-K, Tariq, that's okay, cause I am Esam, and that's all for show. My dad died when I was 8, yo, cause he got hit by a drunk driver for show, cause I'm about to fucking moonwalk, yo, cause I am the man. You cannot fucking run away from me, cause you get your backpack, see? Hey, you wanna run across the mountains, cause I'm gonna get down, man. You cannot fucking...
Thank you.
Stop me. Stop me. Okay, so if this camera ever... did you stop?
No.
This camera ever disappears from this guy right here?
It's gonna be a problem.
Where's Bon Jovi's son?
It's about to run out.
Yeah, they owned it. Wait, come on, wait, it ain't over.
It ain't over. We love you. We love you.
Yo, to all the people in the fucking Iraq, son. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're doing a serious, son. You know what I mean? Where's Bon Jovi? Heart your boy.